Once upon a time, in a bustling marketplace, there lived a diligent ant named Andy. Andy was known for his hard work and resourcefulness. One sunny day, as Andy scouted for food, he stumbled upon a large, tempting sugar cube lying near a merchant's stall. Excitedly, Andy tried to carry the sugar cube back to his anthill, but the cube was far too heavy for him to move alone. Determined not to give up, Andy thought hard about how he could transport the cube. After some time, Andy noticed a group of ants carrying tiny pieces of straw. Inspired by their teamwork, Andy approached them and explained his predicament. Together, they devised a plan. The ants began to work tirelessly. They tied several pieces of straw together, forming a makeshift sled. With careful coordination, they managed to roll the sugar cube onto the sled and began their journey. They encountered various obstacles, a rocky path back to the anthill, along the way, a narrow bridge, and even a sudden rain shower. But each time, the ants worked together, using their creativity and determination to overcome the challenges. Finally, after a long and arduous journey, they reached the anthill. The entire ant community cheered as Andy and his helpers successfully delivered the sugar cube. From that day on, Andy and the other ants learned the importance of teamwork, creativity, and persistence. They understood that no challenge was too great when they worked together and used their ingenuity, and so